Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how I make my breakfast quesadilla in 2 ways with simple ingredients. In a bowl I'll crack 2 eggs and I'll be adding some milk, about 3 tablespoons, and some salt to taste. The milk is going to help the egg to be soft and fluffy. I'll mix everything nicely together, and onto frying pan I'm going to be adding some butter. You can use any fat or oil of your choice. And I'm just going to melt this. I'll be adding half of the egg onto the pan. The first one we are making is plain egg and green bell pepper quesadilla. I'm going to add some chopped green bell peppers, and once it's halfway cooked through, I'll place the tortilla directly onto the egg and bell peppers and press it down to hold. Let it cook for about 20 seconds and I'll flip it over and close it and let both sides cook and be golden brown, and our egg and green bell peppers quesadillas are ready. You can cut this into different shape of your choice and enjoy it with your beverages, and this can also be used as dinner if you would like to. Moving on to the second one, I'm going to use half of the egg, the same process, and at this point I'm just going to allow the egg to cook halfway. I'll place the tortilla directly onto it, press it down, turn it over, and I'll be adding some toppings like onion, assorted sweet bell peppers, bacon, black pepper to taste, and some cheese. The bacons I use are fully cooked. You can adjust any of these ingredients. You can switch the bacon with chicken or any protein of your choice. You can add more cheese or less cheese. You are just going to fold it into 2 like this again and cook both sides until they are golden brown or until your cheese is melted. And you can cut this into any shape of your choice and enjoy as breakfast or as your lunch or as your dinner. You can also add any other side that you would like to enjoy this with, and that will be amazing. Thank you so much for coming on to me with this nice breakfast adventure, and I hope you give it a try, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.